Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Jaden here, and today is Christmas Eve, the night before Christmas, and look how Christmassy I am. I feel happy right now. Yesterday actually was a pretty bad day for me. I was sick, I was throwing up, and we actually had a Christmas on my grandma's side that I could not attend because I was so sick. So I got some presents. I opened them last night, and yeah, so right now I'm going to show you guys those presents. But how you guys doing? It's been a little bit, and I'm so excited for this Christmas vlog. I do it every year. I start like a day or two out from Christmas, and I just vlog on from there. And so yeah, tomorrow's Christmas. Super hyped. And let me get those gifts so I can show you guys them. Alright guys, so with me right now I have these gifts that I got. So the first one that I'm most excited about, just for like stuff that I can use for videos and stuff, or like buying stuff for videos, I got an Amazon gift card. That's right, $50 Amazon gift card. Probably like the best gift probably the gift I like the most. So the next gift I got is like a medicine bag, and I actually use these a lot. So this is something I really like, and it has a bunch of stuff in it. You got all your essentials, your daily shampoo, your shaving skincare, because I'm growing a beard. You guys already know. We got our daily conditioner. We got a daily shampoo, as I just said. Again, some styling cream. I don't know if this is more shaving cream, but that's, what is this? I don't even know what that is. We got more shaving skincare stuff, I guess, and some more moisturizing shaving cream. So, woo! Alright guys, and next we got a blanket. Now this is kind of like a nap blanket, one of those like super soft nap blankets, which is freaking lit, because y'all know I freaking sleep all day every day. It's what I do. I don't know what the hell that was, but alright. So, and then I got some pants, which I forgot, I'm too lazy to go get, but I got some pants and stuff like that, and tomorrow we will have a lot more presents. This is just like a pre-Christmas type thing. So tomorrow a lot of presents, and the big present that I'm hoping to get is a vlogging camera, guys. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm vlogging on a phone right now. I record off my phone, so I'm super hyped to be able to actually have a vlogging camera. I asked for a computer too to edit, and I'm getting some lighting stuff with my Amazon gift card, maybe a green screen. The vlogs are just gonna be lit and lit. So right now we're gonna go upstairs and check, see what's going on up there, and let's go.
Oh, hi dogs.
And just in case you guys are wondering, there is no snow on the ground. Sadly, I know, can't be Christmas without snow. Man, what the hell? Look at this Christmas tree. Look at all, we got all the presents. How many presents I got under there? Look at all these presents.
Dana, you like my pants?
What is wrong? That's disgusting, Dana. Look at all these presents.
Yeah, why does
Donald's.
Dana has to
Murray. Alright, we're gonna do a speed eating challenge. How fast can I eat, what's it called? Sausage cheese McMuffin. I'm gonna speed eat in a long time. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Ew.
53 seconds. You going? Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is we are going to go to a random person's house, and give them a random gift. We packed like 2 stuffed Christmas animals or something like that. And then we got some candy in here. We got 2 packs of hot chocolate with a bow on top. And I think the person in mind we're gonna do is the old grandpa. Some of you guys might be familiar with him. I'll roll a few clips right now. But anyways, we're gonna go give him this present, and you excited? Let's do it. Alright guys, here we go. I don't know if you can hear me. Got the present. Alright guys, it is after we just did that. I don't know if he was calling the cops or who he was calling. I'm going to increase the volume for you guys. But literally my sister, you can't see because the camera was like weird. But me and my sister were right around the corner. I told my sister to peek. She peeks, he's on the phone and just stares right at her. Now, Jersey's like, oh crap, we're caught. So she stays there. I'm like, Jersey, come on. And I was like, she's like, what? And then we just book it. I was like, come on. I just started sprinting. So yeah, we're gonna go home, watch the footage. Oh God, that was actually pretty challenging. That was
I thought you'd just take it like last time.
One thing I noticed is he steps the same way every time. He's always like, like the way he steps down the stairs. But hey, he took the gift again, so Merry Christmas, old man. Dang.
I had to keep it on your plate.
What is noise? Does that say home?
How long do you think that took?
Oh, okay, it's down.
Stop. What am I doing? Hiccuping.
A little optimistic, okay.
Ready? I'm closing my eyes.
We already had yours first.
What is that?
Here he is. Where is Santa Claus? Where is he, Jersey? Where is he?
Series Argent something.
He's in Argentina and his next stop is Chile. Let's see when he's gonna be at our house. Oh my God, he's gonna be here in 1 hour, 3 minutes.
That's
Jersey.
either when he gets to our house or when he's getting to Omaha.
Uh-oh, we better go to sleep.
Alrighty guys, so I'm getting really tired.
And
I might
Santa will be here
shush.
1 hour and 3 minutes.
I'm gonna watch YouTube for a little bit maybe, then I'm gonna go to bed, so the next time I see you guys might be the morning. Might be Christmas morning.
Wait, I want to tell you guys
So
something. I want to tell you guys.
what?
Santa will be at our house 1 hour and 3 minutes.
So I guess I'll see you guys either if something happens, I
In
guess.
the morning or either when we want to drink. Or either if you catch him. And you
Okay,
hear
so
jingles.
good night everybody. Have a good night's sleep, and I'll see you in the morning or sometime, and peace. Alright, y'all, it's the morning, and Dana saw something outside. You want to show him, Dana?
There it is for Bubba's. Bubba's!
Oh.
Doggies! Doggies!
Stay out of those. We're doing presents first.
We can't open the stockings?
No.
Nene! Wait, which one's yours?
Wait, so this one's mine?
Yeah.
Man, which one's man's?
That one.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yay!
Which one is that?
I knew you
Wait, your
took
phone-
it 'cause it wasn't in the
Your
couch.
phone was in there?
Yes!
Dad, it goes youngest
What the heck?
first. Dad, it goes youngest first.
Hi. You think she's put it together yet?
It's the phone.
Dad,
I know.
Sit down. Here, man.
so this is what New Year's present.
Just rip it. I have to take the tape off.
Ooh, pink. Oh my god.
Really? Both of us Oh my god.
Present.
Oh my god. Really? Keys, I know.
Let's go, Bubba.
Alright guys, look what Bubba's got.
Wait.
What?
Just let him go.
Go. Oh!
Only one's awake.
Oh my
We
god.
hate that mess.
This is my car?
That's
When I
yours.
get my license? What's his name?
Bubba's. Oh, my feet are cold.
Nissan. So we all got the same car now?
Yeah.
How cool is that,
Nice.
Bubba's?
Just
go.
Pass mine.
I got. What's this? Portable?
For your
Car
car.
charger.
Oh, yeah.
For your car.
That I'll be driving for like how many months?
You can be driving by the end of the.
Yeah.
What's this?
That's a.
GPS navigator?
No, it's a mount. It goes in your vent so your phone can stay there when you're
Yeah, so you
driving.
don't have to look down.
And I got teeth whitening.
Mhm. That's the like the good ones, like you
Teeth whitening.
like with the blue light and stuff.
And then I got.
Oh,
What's that?
what is that? Oh, for the drone. Oh, that's kind of my present. Why'd that go in there?
Uh-oh. I got Nesty card.
Well, that's for the drone. For your mom.
And then I got, what's this? Some gas gift card. A gas gift card.
Mhm.
Go Judy. Go Judy. Go Judy.
Oh, don't
What is that? What is this?
That's putting your new ride.
What is this?
It's a hydro flask.
A hydro flask water bottle? Ready? Oh my god. What is this? Cannon.
You didn't have a good
Yeah, don't tear that box open
Should I just leave it like this?
for now, probably.
Canon G. What is that? A Canon
I don't know. What you put on
SX730HS. Did you get the exact one? Nice.
Dana.
Oh yeah, new camera, so I don't have to vlog on no phone no more.
Jersey cheated. She already just admitted.
No, I shook my brother, and so did Dana when you were out shopping. When Debbie was here.
Lord,
I knew it.
What?
Trevor Dad's shirt.
What?
We got ourselves a tripod. What'd you get?
Dana's jacket.
Wait, don't we already have that?
It was a fake. That's what she rewrapped for you.
What is that?
Fortnite characters.
Fortnite characters? Let me see.
I see Rose.
Who is it?
Well, that's because Dana wrapped like 5 fake ones for you.
That's what those are going to.
Big thing of clothes.
I have no idea what this is actually.
Why'd you wrap me fake one?
Just do it.
And I don't want that much present.
You all have the same amount of presents.
No, not all of us, but it's the same amount of money.
And then some sweatpants.
What is it?
Fortnite!
Cool.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Some
Oh my god, it's so boring watching you open presents. All it is freaking
Merch!
clothes.
You got merch. And then it's just all the...
Dang!
There's something else that goes with that.
In the box?
No. Tickets.
What is it?
Whoa!
Can you set this up, Dad?
Is
Dang.
this a remote control car? Yeah.
Whenever I'm sad, you make me feel so happy by giving me a hug and a kiss. Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad.
Dang! What is
Jersey
that?
already has it. I
Oh, I
Don't get me, Jay.
Too late.
told you. On Dana's
What'd you get, babe?
It's a coaster.
What is it?
We had to make things from the house.
Alright guys, so a little recap on what I got. I got an SD card, obviously, for the ultimate best present of this Christmas. A freaking cannon. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too, because I know vlogging with a phone can be rough sometimes. I got a tripod, so we got that stuff. We got a car charger, you guys already know, for a brand new car. We got another thing for our car that holds our phone, I believe. We got some teeth whitener, you guys already know. We got an Iowa wrestling shirt, some Takis, this, and for our car, obviously. And right now, I'm gonna go actually take a thumbnail for the video you guys are watching right now. And I'm gonna give you guys a nice little tour of the brand new Jaden Mobile. I don't know. Put some names in the comments what you guys want me to call my brand new car, like the Jaden Mobile. What you guys want me to call it, because I need a name for this bad boy. That's why I do this thumbnail. Oh yeah, y'all already know. Look at this beauty. The J-Mobile right now, until we find a real name. You already know. Look at this. Look at this. But yeah, guys, right now we are just about to head to my grandma's. Super excited for Christmas. Look at, got my brand new whip. You guys already know. And super excited to drive this for the first time to my grandma's house. So I guess I'll see you guys there. Peace. We reached my grandma's and my grandpa right here. He's gonna check out my car for the first time. Ready?
What's that? Merry Christmas. Oh, that's cool, Jay.
Look at that. Look at the wheels already, though.
My God, they're dirty. Is that dog poop?
Yeah.
Nice, Jay.
That's nice.
Heck yeah. A lot?
Nope.
Oh, yeah. Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you do?
Go!
Dude, you got a car and a refrigerator?
Step inside.
I'll never see him again.
Are you moving out?
He'll be in his room.
Yeah, I'm moving out.
Smoke, drinking, and driving. Does that go in your trunk? I couldn't believe it.
Whoa!
Look at all those gifts.
Oh my
That's
god.
complete gifts. You got a
Dang.
refrigerator and
What's inside of
Refrigerator
Gifts.
full of gifts.
you say, hey, this is your boy Worm here. Look what I got.
Onyx.
What is that? I can't
Subway.
Oh, you guys just go ahead and eat that right now, too. Because I picked up right now.
Oh, I was there when I got those. I remember that.
What you do, Kai?
What is it, Dana? What is it?
Marie, what is that? Oh, yeah. I got those.
Oh, dude, you got a robe?
Yes.
Let me see that, Lauren.
I got to make your own squishy.
Is that a blanket?
Get that.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, no, I'm nervous.
I like that.
You like it? Yeah. Hey, those goes with that sweatshirt.
Yeah, I was in
This be a microphone. Dana, look. I done got myself a microphone. Yes. Alright guys, we was back at the house, and that is my sister, believe it or not, with 2 kills. Are you gonna take the win?
No.
How do you have 2 kills?
So the first one I knocked out Gingerbread Man, and then I knocked one of these guys.
Alright, I'll tell you when to go, okay? 12 people have 2 kills, can she get the dub?
Alright guys, it is the next day, the day after Christmas, and I have a few unboxings I would like to do for you guys. So right here I have the mic, which I'm actually going to test out right now. I'm not really sure how it works, maybe you do, Dana. And then I got the Canon, my new camera that I'm going to start recording for you guys. I'm going to do a little unboxing. I got my water bottle, and then I got this tripod, which I don't know if I'll actually open. It's going to slide out of the way for now. But we're going to start with this mic right here, so let's open this. Oh, damn. We're gonna try to get this to work, and then we'll catch you guys if it's working or not. Alright guys, so what we decided to do, we decided we're gonna open the camera, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay. We got our camera. Mom's so excited. Alright. Camera? Is this the camera? Oh my god, look at this shit. Look at this. Guys, here's our new camera. I'll read it to you. It is our camera is called the Canon PowerShot SX730HS. And we got a flip screen, baby. Oh, goddamn. Alright guys, wait, I'm gonna use the mic for at least something. I'm gonna make it look like the mic's working. Alright guys, Jaden Overman here. We're still trying to figure out stuff with the camera. The mic, as you can see, is not working. I'm just using it for props. But, guys, in today's show, I'm going to be doing a conclusion to this video. I'm thankful. Happy birthday, Jesus. I forgot to tell him yesterday. Shit. But, guys, again, we're going to end this video. Hopefully next video is we have a little more done with this and the mic, just so we can get it all together. But again, I'm super happy with my presents, and yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this Christmas vlog. Please give it a fat thumbs up and subscribe, turn on the notifications. And it's been your boy Jaden, and I'm out. Peace!